From our previous analysis, we talked about GBPUSD having a potential of going down once it touched this level right here. Now, today is Tuesday, and basically we have seen that from last week, Gbpjpy has been dropping as anticipated. And let me show you something. Right now, we anticipate that she wants to probably, go back to test this level, right? And remember from our previous video, we said that we will capitalize on this push to the upper side, and once we see maybe price reaction to this level, once we get a bearish pattern, then that's when we should be looking for sell property. So let's just talk about what the market price is doing currently over here. So let me hit the 15 real quick and show you something. Okay, now we see that now price that has taken out this trend line, we see that there is also this high right there. I bet there are going to be some selling pressure, which is still okay. But then if you try to look at this level right here, that should maybe tell us that some of those are a double bottom right there. But now for us to look for buy property, I still believe that price might try to pull back right here, probably until this level, hitting this level, respecting, and then now that's when I think she might break out of that high. Let's just mark this level as an area of interest, right? But at the same time, but before that, the reason why I'm talking about price pulling back is this. All this is just an impulse phase, and we all know that the market usually goes up, comes down, impulse, correction. So if it doesn't pull back to this level, let's just do this. Let's just say that the market just continues breaking out, there's no problem, so we will still anticipate a pullback. That's when we look for our buy opportunity. So GBPUSD, I think she's almost ready for buys, and unless we don't see what we anticipate. But then if we see price maybe continue to drop down, then we won't do a thing, because that means she will be kind of moving sideways, and we won't know what direction she's trying to go to. Okay, so like we said before, let me just take it to the H4 for you guys to understand the reason why I'm anticipating that push to the top, and maybe look for sales right here. But then I'm still trying to get a buy opportunity right here, maybe targeting this level. That's when, if I get a good bearish momentum, I'm going to take this sell all the way down. Now the reason why I'm talking about the sell is because this might be a potential left shoulder head, and now she might try to give us right shoulder before probably she might drop. And let's see, was that GBPJPY? Yesterday I took a good trade on Nzdusd Gbpjpy. I'll make a video breaking down how I took that entry. Right now, remember GBPJPY, when we also did analysis previously, I said this might be a valid double top, of which we see that price kind of respected. So now price has already hit this trend line. So we have a first touch, second touch, now this is the third touch, right? So we need to see what market or price is going to do around this level. A good reaction, if we see maybe price rejecting and then taking out this low right there, then that will be a good selling opportunity before we see maybe price going back to hit this trend line of ours. In that being said, we anticipate a first touch right here, second touch, so we anticipate that third touch right there. But then if price doesn't break out that level, I'm talking about this trend line, probably the market just gives us a bullish property, then we should look for buys, something like this, maybe targeting just this level right there. But this level is also a level of interest. Probably we might think that the market is trying to go back this level, then we see the market coming back right there and respecting that. That's when you see maybe price breaking, just to give us that complete triple top right there. But at the same time, I think we had a touch, but you never know, 1 2 3, another triple top before we see maybe price going down. So maybe let me see, let's talk about probably gold. Now one thing about gold, I've realized that the market is not clear. So look at this, the market is just kind of moving sideways, you see, nothing clear. So I think we should just try to avoid gold, unless gold breaks out of this, consolidation. Now once it breaks, let's just anticipate a pullback and look for more sales, right? But then a good selling position will be confirmed once we see maybe gold breaking out of that new low it will have created, or maybe let's just wait for gold to break and see what she might try to do. And let me see, I think Euro USD and NZD should also have the same patterns that we've seen on a GBP USD. Do I have NZD USD in my watch list? NZD USD. No, how comes I never added NZD USD to my I list? Let's just do that real quick. Right there. Correct. Now, like I said before, NZD USD should be the same as GBP USD. So let me remove these ones. So you see over here, I'm anticipating left shoulder, maybe market to go back to give me right shoulder complete to make that head and shoulder complete. So with that being said, let me see what the market is doing of the lower time frame, and if we get a good position, probably we just need to look for this buy entry. It's not bad, 100 pips is not bad though, but then remember we still anticipate a drop, right? So let's just see what the 15 minutes is doing. Now over here already I see a double bottom, which is still a good confirmation. Let's just have this adjusted. Let's just have it right here. Correct. Now I'm talking about something like this and something like that. So you see this is a clear double bottom, which just tells us that now kind of the bulls wants to get back to their uptrend. So I'm anticipating probably she might hit that level, respect, break, then that will be a good buy opportunity. So let's just have an alert probably around there. So remove this. Now if you look at this, also this approach right here, this is also another sign that kind of the bulls are trying to get back in control right over there. So another double bottom right there. Now we see price as broken. Now we anticipate like pullback, which is happening right now. Let me see. All right, so we anticipate, like I say, all this is just an impulse phase. So I'm just anticipating price maybe to go hit this level, respect, pullback, break, or break it, come back with the pullback, then we continue going all the way up, right? So that is just what I'm anticipating on this market. Now NZD USD and GBP USD, I think they're almost ready. Now for the GBP JPY, USD JPY, NZD JPY, I think we should wait for those pullbacks. Now let me show you something on NZD JPY. This is it. This is the trade that I did take yesterday. So I'm just going to make another video explaining what I saw and why I did take this video. Why I did take this entry. Crazy. Why I took the video. Right. So yeah, I see that. Now let me not go into details and maybe show you what I'm anticipating, the pattern that I'm anticipating this pair to form. I'm not going to go into details, guys. So just add on to your price action knowledge. Whether you're trading SMC, just add on to that. ICT, add something. Maybe you're using indicators, just add into this analysis, add more confidence. And once you see a bullish property, go in for buys. If you don't see one, just relax, because why right now I think we're not good to see selling unless price breaks over here, but which might just be a false break. Why? I'm still anticipating a good selling level should be this. I call it a best price. Best price should be this zone right there. Unless you see maybe price doesn't want to respect or doesn't want to form head and shoulder, then you see maybe price continuing dropping, then hitting this level, which is still not bad though. Let me see. Yeah, but then I don't know. I don't believe this will be a good place to take a sell, but just react to what the market is doing, right? But for now, all we see is just an indication that bulls kind of want to get in, in this trade. Maybe, like I say, targeting that high just to give us a complete head and shoulder. So let's just keep our heads up and look for those amazing price action, and once we get something, we react to what we see. So check out my Telegram link in the description box below, and adios amigos, peace.